Good morning, students. Today I am going to start exercise 2.1, and the example of this exercise have been solved. So, in exercise 2.1, type 1 questions are very easy. You have learned in previous classes questions, problems are based on addition and subtraction of fractions, so I do not want to solve type 1 question. And in type 2, problems based on comparison of fractions. Exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. Arrange the following in descending orders. Type 2 questions. Type 2. Arrange the following. Arrange the following in descending order. In descending order. You have to solve. You have to show that the questions are in descending order. To solve this question, given numbers are given fractions. Given fractions are 2 by 9 or 2 by 9, 2 by 9, 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 8 by 21, 8 by 21. We have to arrange this fraction in descending order. To solve, at first we find the LCM of 9, 3, 21. LCM of 9, 3, 21 is equal to 9, 3, 21 is equal to 63, and now we divide LCM by the denominators of the given fraction and multiply with their quotient. 2 by 9 is equal to, after dividing 63 by 9, we get 7 as quotient, so we multiplied 7 by 2 by 9. 2 by 9 is equal to 2 into 7 by 9 into 7 is equal to 14 by 63. Similarly, do same as divide LCM by the denominators of second fraction. If we divide 3 by 63, we get 21 as quotient, so we multiply 21 by 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is equal to 2 into 21 by 3 into 21 is equal to 42 by 63, and similarly dividing 63 by 21, we get 3 as quotient. So multiplying 3 by 8 by 21. 8 by 21 is equal to 8 into 3 by 21 into 3 is equal to 24 by 63. Here we see that denominators of the given fractions are same. So see here 42, here 42 greater than 24 greater than 14. Here 42 greater than 42. Hence 42 by 23, 43 by 42, 42 by 63 greater than 42 by 63 greater than 24 by 63 greater than 14 by 63. Hence 2 by 3 greater than 8 by 21, 8 by 21 greater than 2 by 9. Answer. So if you have to arrange the given fraction in descending order, we equal denominators to find the given numbers in descending order. At first we find the LCM of the denominators of the given number. Here LCM of 9, 3, 21 is equal to 63. So now we divide LCM by the denominators of the given fraction and multiplying with their quotient. So 2 by 9 is equal to 2 into 7 by 9 into 7, because if we divide 63 by 9, 7, we get 7 as quotient. Multiplying 2 by 9 by 7, we get 2 into 7 by 9 into 7, barabar 14 by 63. Similarly, do same as process, do same. Here we get 42 greater than 24 greater than 14. So 42 by 63 greater than 24 by 63 greater than 14 by 63. Hence the numbers in descending order we can hence the given fraction in descending order. Hence the given fractions in descending order are 2 by 3, 8 by 21, greater than 2 by 3. Now, 2 number question 2a. Arrange the following in descending order. Now, B number question is similarly, you can solve the B number of question number 2 and into Arrange the following in ascending order. Do same as process. Do same as the process. Arrange the following in ascending order. At first, you have to find the LCM of the denominators of the given fraction, and after taking LCM, we divide the LCM by the denominators of the given fraction. If we divide the denominator by denominators, we get some numbers, so we multiply numerator and denominator by quotient, and at last we will write the 19 by 7, second fraction is 15 by 8, 15 by 8, 23 by 14, 23 by 14, 19 by 7, 19 by 7, 15 by 8, and 23 by 14. Solution. Process is same. Process is same. Given fractions are given fractions are given fractions are 19 by 7, 15 by 8, and 23 by 14. 23 by 14. Now we find the LCM of the denominators. LCM of 7, 8, and 14. 7, 8, 14 is equal to 7, 8, 14. LCM. You know 2, 7, 4, 7, 7 by 7, is equal to 2 into 7 into 4 is equal to 56. LCM of 7 and 4 is equal to 56. Now we divide LCM by the denominators of the given fraction. Here we divide 56 by 7, we get 8 as quotient. So we multiplied 8 by given fraction 19 by 7. 19 by 7 is equal to 19 into 8 by 7 into 8 is equal to 152 by 56, and similarly 15 by 8 is equal to 15 by 8 is equal to 15 into 7, 15 into 7 by 8 into 7 is equal to 105 by 56. Do same as 23 by 14 is equal to 23 into 4 by 14 into 4. is equal to 92 by 56. Here given fractions are 19 by 7, 15 by 8 and 23 by 14. LCM of the denominators of the given fraction 784 is equal to 56. Now we divide LCM by the denominators of the given fraction. At first we divide 56 by 7, we get 8 as quotient. So multiplying 8 by 19 by 7 is equal to 152 by 56. And multiplying by 8, we get 152 by 56. Do same as above fraction. 15 by 8 is equal to 15 into 7 by 8 into 7, 105 by 56, 23 by 14 is equal to 23 into 4 by 14 into 4, 92 by 56. Here we see that, here we see that denominators are same, but numerators are different. So, arrange in ascending order, we write as first smallest number. Here 92, here 92 less than 105 less than 152. Hence the fractions in ascending order we write smallest fraction. So 23 by 14 is less than 15 by 8, is less than 19 by 7. In this way, we can arrange any fractions into ascending or descending order. Again, I am going to clear this problem. The given fractions are 19 by 7, 15 by 8 and 23 by 14. We have to arrange these fractions into ascending order. At first find the LCM of the denominators 7, 8, 14. Here that is 56. Now we divide LCM by the denominators of the given fractions respectively and multiply in their quotient. So 19 by 7 is equal to 19 into 8 by 7 into 8 is equal to 152 by 56. 15 by 8, do same as 15 by 8 is equal to 15 into 7 by 8 into 7. Because if we divide 56 by 8, we get 7 as quotient. So multiplying 7 by numerator and denominator, we have the fraction 105 by 56. And similarly, 23 by 14 is equal to 23 into 4 by 14 into 4 is equal to 92 by 56. Here we see that 92 is less than, denominators are same, but 92 is less than 105 and 105 is less than 152. So the fractions in ascending order, to write in ascending order, we write at first the smallest fraction, 23 by 14 less than 15 by 8 less than 19 by 7. So you can solve all questions of the exercise, and in 3 type questions problems are based on practical problem on addition and subtraction. So you can solve easily. If you have problem, then you can ask in next class.